Priority seating, making public transportation more accessible. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic in our series on English language learning. Priority seating in public transportation. This term might seem complex, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what priority seating is, why it's important, and how to use this term in everyday conversations. Priority seating refers to specific seats in public transportation that are reserved for individuals who need them the most. This might include elderly people, pregnant women, people with disabilities, or people with young children. These seats are usually clearly marked with signs or stickers, and are often closer to the doors for easier access. For example, you might hear someone say, "Please offer the priority seating to those who need it." Priority seating is important for making public transportation more accessible. It ensures that people who have difficulty standing or walking, or who get tired more easily, can travel comfortably and safely. Respecting priority seating is a sign of courtesy and respect in many cultures. Here's an example of how you can use this in a conversation. I always check if someone needs the priority seat more than I do when I take the bus. To help you talk about priority seating, here are some common English phrases. 1. Excuse me, this is a priority seat. Could you please offer it to that elderly person? 2. Would you mind if I use the priority seat? I'm pregnant and need to sit down. 3. Please remember to respect the priority seating areas on this train. Remember, the key to learning English is practice. So, try to use these phrases when you're practicing your English conversations. And that's it for today's lesson on priority seating in public transportation. Understanding and using the term, priority seating, can help you navigate English-speaking cities more easily, and can also help you be more respectful of the needs of others. As always, we hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!